Hi everyone, and welcome! Today, we are going to cover a very important topic for any WordPress user. We will learn how to connect your WordPress website to Filezilla. Filezilla is a free tool called an FTP client. It gives you direct access to all the files and folders that make up your website. This is incredibly useful for many tasks. You can use it to manually upload themes and plugins. You can troubleshoot errors by accessing your files directly. You can also download your files to create a manual backup. It might sound complicated, but I promise it's straightforward once you know the steps. So, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is download and install Filezilla. You can get it for free from its official website. Just search for Filezilla online and make sure you are on the official project page to avoid any unwanted software. Download the Filezilla client, not the server, for your computer, whether it's a Windows PC or a Mac, and run the installation. Next, you need to find your FTP credentials. These are like the username and password for your website's file system. You get these from your web hosting provider. Log into your hosting account dashboard and look for a control panel like cPanel or Plesk. Inside the control panel, search for a section named FTP accounts or FTP users. In this section, you will find 4 key pieces of information: the host, username, password, and port. The host is the server address, which is often your domain name, like yourwebsite.com, or sometimes ftp.yourwebsite.com. The username and password are the specific credentials you created for your FTP account. The port is usually 21 for standard FTP, or 22 for SFTP, which stands for Secure File Transfer Protocol. If you have the option for SFTP, you should always use it because it is more secure. Now that you have your credentials, open the Filezilla application. At the very top, you'll see the Quick Connect bar with fields for host, username, password, and port. Carefully enter the details you just found from your hosting account into these boxes. After you've entered everything, click the Quick Connect button. You might see a pop-up warning about an unknown certificate. This is usually safe to accept if you are connecting to your own server for the first time. Just click OK to proceed. You will see status messages in the window below the Quick Connect bar. If the connection is successful, the pane on the right side of the screen, labeled Remote Site, will populate with a list of files and folders. These are the files on your server. On the left side, labeled Local Site, are the files on your own computer. To find your WordPress installation, you often need to double-click into a folder on the remote site named public_html or www. Once inside, you'll see the core WordPress folders like WP Admin, WP Includes, and WP Content. The WP Content folder is where your themes, plugins, and uploads are stored, so you will likely spend most of your time there. Transferring files is as simple as dragging and dropping. To upload a file, find it on the left side and drag it to the desired folder on the right. To download a file, just drag it from the right side to the left. And that is everything you need to know to get started. You are now successfully connected to your WordPress site with Filezilla and can manage your files directly. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and for more WordPress tips and tutorials, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.